Hello everyone, welcome to our video. So today let's draw some different kinds of vegetables and the fruits pics. So here I'm drawing a corn peck and then I'm drawing the leaf and then I'm just drawing the horizontal and the vertical lines. Let me put some shades with the green color and the red color. So here's a beautiful corn. Let's draw a brinjal. First I'm drawing the green color top of the brinjal and the body and shade them with purple and green color. So using an hand I'm drawing, connect them and then I'm drawing a corn. So here again drawing an horizontal and the vertical line, and then let's put some shades with yellow color and the green color. Okay. So let's move on. So I'm drawing a circle and then drawing two lines of boxes and then drawing the lips and the nose. Let me put some shades with yellow color. Here's a pumpkin staring images. So let's move on. Here I'm drawing a chilli. So first draw the chilli and then open the door in the center and again draw the circles and then draw the leaves in the chilies and open the paper. Just draw the faces of the cartoon inside a chili. So first I'm drawing a different boxes and then drawing the nose and then eyes and then a big lips. So shade them. Let me put some shades here. So here I'm using a red sketch and then opening the red chili. And then let's move on. Here I'm drawing a mushroom. So first draw the bottom and the linings of mushroom and then draw the cap. So after that draw the circles inside a mushroom. So again a mini mushroom has been drawn next to the top mushroom. So let's draw different kinds of mushrooms, and mushroom is good for health also. So here's a beautiful mushroom that has been drawn with a beautiful grass. So let's shade them with yellow and the orange color. So here I'm drawing a broccoli. So first draw the broccoli, and then draw the down part. Let me put some shades with the green and yellow color. So again moving to the next part, I'm drawing an eyes and then the nose and the top leaves and then a lips is being drawn. Here's a beautiful carrot with a different emoji. So shade them with the green color and the red color. So let's move on. Here again I'm using a carrot to draw. Let's put an alphabet 2 and draw a 2 carrots. Draw the leaves top bottom and shade them with a beautiful carrots. Thank you.